lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Caroline for Kalicious Loves. I hope you're all doing well. On this channel we talk fashion and style. You can also check out my fashion and style, food and DIY on my blog at caliciousloves.com. Today we are talking about how you can incorporate African print in your everyday dressing. Have you ever been invited to an African party? Have you ever been invited to a place where you feel like you have to, wear some African print in it, but you don't have an African outfit, you don't have a wrapper? What do you do? Like, what do you do? Like, if I get invited to, give an example, an Indian wedding or an Indian party, I don't have a full Indian outfit, but maybe I might do henna, I'm not sure. Will I get some accessories that are Indian? Sort of like just to say, thank you for inviting me. I respect your culture, I respect your way, I respect, the way you do things. I'm wearing this dress, but I'm gonna put maybe something that symbolizes India here. If you have been invited to an African event, an African party, you do not have an African print outfit, you do not have a wrapper that you can style into an outfit, there's a thing that you can do. You can go on Amazon, get like a piece of fabric, like this small. Usually it would be like 150 centimeters by 30 centimeters. You can get this on Amazon. You don't have to go to the tailor. I think it's gonna cost you less than £10. That's all you need. And I'm going to be showing you how you can add this to your normal outfit to sort of like say, I'm not wearing an African print outfit, but I've got some African print in it, okay? So one way you can use this to sort of like add to your outfit, you can use it as a belt. I would suggest that if you are going for a material that's really heavy on the print, like it's got lots of patterns, like all African prints have got patterns. This is like a tree with roots. You've got red, you've got yellow, you've got blue. It could be a yellow dress. Well, I'm wearing a pink dress. Tie this around your waist, like I will show you here in the video. Tie it around your waist, tie it at the back into like a ball, and accessorize it as a high-waisted belt. Add some color to the dress that you're wearing. It looks better if the dress that you're wearing is plain. It does not have a lot of prints going on, because sometimes if your dress has a lot of prints going on, it might be fighting with the actual African print. So I would suggest that going for a plain print, or a print that's not got a plain dress, or a dress that does not have a lot of things going on. It could be a dress, it could be a skirt with a top. It's really up to you, okay? Idea number 2, wrap it around your head, okay? You're wearing a very nice dress, but you're gonna be like, I know most people in Africa will tie a cloth around their head. I'm gonna do it stylishly, and as you can see, it is stylish. And I think, if you're going to a theme party, it's understandable, depending on where you are, it's understandable that not everybody can get a tailored outfit, or not everybody has African print, or, you might not be someone who's really into African print. Like, why are you going to get an outfit when you're going to wear it? But out of respect, or, just to go with a theme, this is a way you can do it. And there's so many ways that you can style it, so it's not like you just have one outfit you can wear one way, right? Another way you could do is tie this around your handbag. So let's say, you like the outfit that you're wearing. You're like, no, I'm not adding anything else to this outfit. You can use this to sort of like accessorize your handbag. Just tie it around the handles, and boom, you've added some print to your outfit. If you're carrying the bag, I think this is really cute. You add some color to your bag. I would also suggest that the bag is plain and goes with any of the colors that are on the print that you are using, the material that you are using. Another idea, this is quite interesting actually. Another idea, I would say that you can use this as a necklace, right? It's so versatile. I'll put a video here how it looks, but I also show you basically if, you know, it could be a choker, depending on what you want. It could be a choker, but I don't know, with this material I would not want it to be a choker because I don't feel comfortable, but it depends. If you're someone that feels comfortable with big chokers, that's really up to you. And there you go. Like, there's so much that you can do, and it actually goes with the dress. It actually goes with the dress. And you're gonna have people ask you, like, oh my god, I love your necklace, how did you do that? Don't tell them it's just the cloth, you turn it around, right? Like, there's so much you can do. There's so much you can do with this little cloth, and there's so much you can do with African print, depending on where your mind takes you. So yeah, basically, I've shown you in the video, but I'm just trying to do it here as well. Take your time, make sure that it's comfortable around your neck, and you're good to go. These are just some ideas I'm giving to you, you know. When one day you're like, oh, you know, I want to add some African print to my outfit, you could do this. I will link some links below on where you can get this type of material on Amazon. It's very affordable. It's not something that you're gonna buy and you're gonna think, oh my god, it's too big, what am I gonna do this? What am I going to do with this? No, there's so many ways that you can style it. The final way that you can style this, and this is like one of my favorite ways, you can use it as an addition to your blazer. So you know how African women, they're going to a party, they wear the African print and everything, and they have like a scarf that goes on the shoulders. So it's sort of like goes that way, and they just leave it there, right? So in this, the way you can use this, I would recommend using this if you are wearing like a jacket, a blazer, and obviously something, a color, you know, the color of the jacket or suit that you're wearing goes with the African print that you're using. So like in this video, I wore a peach suit, and I feel like because it was plain, this can actually really go on any color. It can really go on any color because it's like a print. This print is meeting a plain outfit. So what I did is I folded it into half and then folded it again and put it on my blazer and sort of like just worked this way, folded it so it could go with the collar of my blazer. And to keep this secure, I use the safety pin. I use the safety pin to pin it down underneath, and then I use the safety pin to pin it down at the shoulders. That way, it's not gonna move. It's not gonna come out. I mean, like, the only thing that would happen is it would come this way if I'm bending down, but it would not fall off, and this would stay put in place. And I think it really looks stylish. It's so classy and chic. But you're like incorporating African print into your outfit. How cool is that? Amazing, isn't it? So guys, yeah, this is all I had to share with you. I hope you found this really helpful. I mean, sometimes it's the little things, and sometimes it's the little things that elevates your look. If you're ever invited to something that's African and you wanna, you know, say, you know what, I'm gonna come through with my African print, and you don't have an African outfit or you don't have an African wrapper that you can wear as an outfit, get something like this on Amazon. As simple as that. As simple as it can be. And I also forgot, like, one way you can style this around your head, depending on what you're going for. You know, most of us have got hairstyles which we don't want to cover and everything. You just tie it around your head. Simple as that. how cute is this? Oh my god. Yeah, guys, this I'm so excited. I am so excited. I have no idea why. I think I'm excited for you and how this will look when you try it on. Let me know if you do try any of this, and let me know what your thoughts are. I hope you found it really helpful. Please share with your friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And thank you so much to everybody who subscribed to my channel since day one, and those people who continue to subscribe. Thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.